wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! Yay!
Happy Mother's Day!
Yeah, happy Mother's Day!
We are celebrating Mother's Day because
mothers are amazing.
Yeah, and our mother is special too.
Oh yeah, our mother is probably the best mother in the entire world. I mean, I know you think your mother's the best, and for you she is, but for us, ours is.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah.
And that's why we wanted to do something really special today.
So very special. So we have this giant cooler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. Do you kids know why it's important to celebrate Mother's Day?
I think we need to tell them.
Ooh, do you want to start or do you want me to start?
Well, I just want to say we celebrate Mother's Day because our mom does so much.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, she cooks, she cleans, she washes us, she takes care of us, she makes sure that we go to school on time. I mean, without my mother, I know life would be hard.
Yeah, and it's super hard because she works sometimes, and I know that she's busy, and she comes to school and she has like PTA.
Yep.
She does kind of everything.
Yeah, she does do everything, and that's why, you know, I know we only have one day to celebrate Mother's Day. Technically speaking, she needs to celebrate it every single day, but that's why we take this day to do something really special. It's her day to rest, so one day we do all the work so she doesn't have to do anything.
Yeah, it's not fair. Only one day out of the whole year.
Yeah,
wow.
That's true.
That's not much of a break.
No.
Maybe we should do Mother's Day weekend.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea.
Yeah.
Mother's Day weekend. So starting on Friday evening until Monday morning.
Yeah.
Or maybe Sunday evening. We do everything for Mom. That means cooking, cleaning, washing.
Yeah.
What else could we be doing?
We could bring her some tea, some iced tea.
Yeah.
Or we could bring her some water.
Yeah.
Oh, and we could let her watch her TV show.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And maybe we as a promise, we don't fight, and so she will have her quiet time.
I have a really good one. We could clean our room, because I kind of, I'm not proud, but usually when she asks me to clean my room, I say I don't want to.
Oh, no, Olivia.
Yeah,
No.
I don't like cleaning my room, so.
We'll do that.
Yeah, I think we should clean our rooms.
Yeah, as a Mother's Day gift, we're not only going to make her breakfast in bed, but we're also going to clean our room.
Yay!
And then we can also maybe, vacuum the house.
Oh, yeah, we could vacuum. Oh, and she could read.
Yeah.
She could read while we vacuum, and we can feed Fluffy.
Oh, yeah.
And we can take him on his walk. Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, there's so many things we could do. Oh, and if we tell Dad too, then maybe like he could help cook because we can't use the stove yet.
Yeah.
And we can make peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah, we could do that.
Well, so we'll make peanut butter and jelly. So we'll have maybe rolls with fruit for breakfast, and then peanut butter and jelly for lunch, and then Dad has to be in charge of dinner.
I think that's a great idea.
I think that's a good idea. Yeah. Okay.
And then, of course, we give her our Mother's Day card that we made.
Yeah. I'm really excited for her to see those.
Yep.
Yeah, it's going to be great.
So what do we have in that cooler?
Oh, we have so much good stuff. We made some lemonade, because Mom really likes lemonade. And then I brought some fresh strawberries that we washed.
Yeah, and we put together some sandwiches too.
Yeah,
her
sandwiches.
favorite. Yep.
Yeah.
Ham and cheese.
Yep, ham and cheese, and some lettuce and some mayo.
Yep. Exactly.
And, I made peanut butter and jelly for us.
Oh, nice.
Oh, good
job.
Oh. we missed. Let's try one more time. Boom. I wasn't looking. That was my fault.
Well, so... I guess we told Dad to bring Mom out in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
She should be coming out.
I think I think I hear the door opening.
Oh, yeah. So, kids, make sure to do something very, very, very special for your mom. Whatever it is, I'm sure she will be happy.
Yeah. And remember, nothing's too small. Like, even if you do a little thing like putting your clothes in the hamper, or if you spill your milk, make sure you clean it up.
Yep.
Yeah. Exactly. Every little bit helps.
Exactly.
And you can do it all the time, too, so we should try to do that.
Because Mom is the best.
Mom is the best.
The best is of the best.
Yeah. Oh, we could do a cheer. Mom, she's the best. If she can't do it, no one can.
Oh, yeah, nice. That's a good one.
Yeah. Very cool.
Well, kids, I hope that you will have not just a great Mother's Day, but also a great Mother's Day weekend.
Yay, Mother's Day weekend!
And enjoy the time you have with your mother because she is special.
Yeah, she's wonderful.
So we're going to start setting up our picnic here. Until then, we'll see you on one of our next episodes.
Yeah, see you guys next time. Have fun with your mom.
Yeah.
Tell her Happy Mother's Day from us.
Exactly.
Okay, thanks, guys. Bye.
Thanks. Bye. Happy Mother's Day. Bye.
Ooh, I'm really excited to see what we got.
Yeah, what did we get?
Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh, yeah, there's so much good stuff.
Oh, that's a hamburger.
Yeah, hamburger.
Can I start eating already?
No, you have to wait for Mom.
Oh, yeah,
it's
you're
Mother's
right.
Day. She gets to pick.
Okay.
And
Here, why don't I use this as our plate?
Oh, yeah, that'd be a good idea. Okay.
There we go. But this looks really, really good.
Okay.
All right.
And we got some crab.
Oh, yeah, she loves crab.
Oh, and an egg.
Oh, egg. I got it.
Thanks.
Mom's gonna be so excited.
Oh, I brought ice cream for dessert.
Oh, nice. There we go. Okay.
And some shrimp. That's all.
That's it.
Yep.
Okay. Mom's coming.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Happy Mother's Day!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!